In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Acuity scheduling with ease. Navigating customer support can sometimes feel like finding your way through a maze, but worry not. We're here to guide you through the process of reaching out to Acuity scheduling's customer support, ensuring your experience is as smooth as possible. Firstly, let's start at the very beginning. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Acuity scheduling website. This is your gateway to accessing a range of scheduling tools and of course the support you need. Once the web page is fully loaded, your next step is to find and click on the login button. This is typically located at the top right corner of the home page. It's your entry point into your personal account where you can manage your settings, appointments and seek help. After clicking on login, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Take a moment to type in your email carefully to avoid any errors that could delay your access. It's a simple step, but an important one to get right. Moving on, you'll see a Next button appear. Clicking on this moves you forward in the login process, bringing you one step closer to contacting support. Now, here comes a slightly different step. You'll have the option to continue with Google. This is ideal for those who have linked their Google accounts for a more streamlined login experience. Click on Continue with Google and you'll be directed to select your Google account. Choose the correct one to proceed. The next phase involves a bit of navigation. Once logged in, locate the question mark icon on the top right corner of your dashboard. This icon is universally recognized as a call for help or support, making it your gateway to accessing Acuity's customer assistance. Clicking on this question mark will redirect you to a new page, but don't stop there. You're looking for the Contact Us option, which might require a bit of scrolling down. This link is your direct line to the Acuity scheduling support team, ready and waiting to assist with your queries. Upon finding and clicking Contact Us, you'll be asked to choose a topic related to your inquiry. This step is crucial as it helps route your request to the right department, ensuring you get the most accurate and prompt response. Now that you're set on your path, it's time to provide your email address again. You might wonder, didn't I already do this? Yes, but this ensures that the support team can get back to you directly and efficiently, keeping your communication line open and clear. Next up, add a subject to your request. This should be a concise summary of your issue or query, acting as a headline for the support team. Think of it as giving your email a title that quickly conveys your needs. The following step involves adding a description. This is where you elaborate on your concern, providing as much detail as possible. The more information you give, the easier it will be for the support team to understand and resolve your issue. Be thorough, but try to keep your description clear and to the point. Finally, once you've filled out all the necessary fields, you're ready to submit your request. Hit the Submit button with confidence, knowing you've clearly conveyed your needs to the Acuity scheduling support team. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the process of reaching out to Acuity scheduling's customer support. Remember, while the process might seem a bit daunting at first, breaking it down into these manageable steps simplifies the task. The Acuity scheduling team is there to support you, so don't hesitate to reach out with your questions or concerns. In the meantime, while waiting for a resolution or response, take a moment to explore the other features and resources available on the Acuity website. You never know what useful tools or information you might discover. We hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to check back in for more tips and tricks on navigating your favorite online tools and services with ease. See you in the next video.